So this is going to be a video of how to slow down an MP3 on the iPhone. We're going to use two apps, one to download the MP3 and that's Goodreader, and one to actually slow down the MP3 and that's called Tempo Slow-Mo. We're practicing a talk, maybe a Chinese Bible reading, and you just want to continue to practice. Listen to the MP3 that's on jw.org. But this app will allow you to slow down that MP3 so that you can practice better. So you can see it right here on the screen. It's called Tempo Slow-Mo, and we'll put a link to it on the page here. Unfortunately, Tempo Slow-Mo won't download a MP3. You have to already have that MP3 on your iPhone to be able to open it. But thankfully we have Goodreader right here. We're going to open Goodreader, and what we're going to do, if you go back to the front page of Goodreader, you're going to see web downloads here. Going to go in there and go to browse the web. Now we've already put jw.org in there, and we went to publications, Bible, and we've got Chinese selected as the language, which is what we want. And we're going to just click on MP3. Now again, this is to download the MP3 to Goodreader. So let's go to whatever Bible reading we've been assigned. Let's say it's Ezekiel, and we'll go to chapter 46, let's say. Click that. Now Goodreader is going to prompt us either to follow the link, which would just open the MP3, or download it, which is what we want. Now this is saying it's downloading. We can go to the download page in Goodreader, or if we say not now, that will allow us to continue to download other MP3s. But we'll just say go there now. And you can see here we've already downloaded Ezekiel. So we'll go to our My Documents, Downloads, and Goodreader. And you see in the upper right hand corner there's an Actions button. We'll click that. Now that's going to allow us to select that MP3 that we just downloaded, and you see at the bottom now in Goodreader it says Open In. So if we click that, here we've got a number of different apps that we can open that MP3 in, including Tempo Slow, which is what we want to select. So it now opens Tempo Slow, and you can see if we start playing here, we can control the volume at the bottom. So it's already playing. Now, if you look at this, it's really an interesting user interface here. If we slide our finger around the outer perimeter, that's going to fast forward or rewind the track. Now, if we scroll over to the next screen, and you can scroll back and forth between these screens. It might even open on this one initially. And you hit play, it'll start playing the MP3. But if you scroll your finger around the circle here, you can see the percentage sign is slowing down the reading as we continue to scroll. So let's put it at maybe 70%. We'll hit play. Getting a little distortion. Once you get around 60%, you're going to hear a little bit of distortion, more of an echo. So you can see at 50% we get a little bit of an echo. That's okay. I mean, we can still listen and you can practice according to that. Now if you go over to that other screen where we can rewind and fast forward, you can also set markers. We'll click here on markers. You can set start and stop markers. Let's say you only want to listen to maybe one or two verses at a time. Well, you can set your markers to start and stop and continue to repeat. So you can mess around with that a little bit. So that's basically how to slow down MP3s on the iPhone using Goodreader and Tempo Slow-Mo.